Welcome to the world of the mysterious Mokele Mbembe. In just 60 seconds, let's explore this enigmatic creature. The Mokele Mbembe is said to inhabit the rivers and swamps of the Congo Basin in Central Africa. Descriptions of this creature suggest it resembles a sauropod dinosaur. Many explorers and scientists have ventured into the Congo Basin in search of the Mokele Mbembe. Some believe it's a living dinosaur, while others think it's a legend passed down through generations. The Mokele Mbembe remains one of the world's most fascinating and mysterious creatures. Subscribe for more unknown creature mysteries.